Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's KiaTatyana here, and today I'm going to be showing you a cute summer fast-ish hairstyle. And right now I have my wet hair, obviously. Well, it's damp. It was in the little cotton shed and all that. And I love the way my hair looks fresh out of washing, the shine and all that. It's just growing. So as you can see, my hair is damp. I just applied the Aunt Jackie curl custard and I'm just wrapping it in small section. I started twisting it at the roots so it can go for a better or tighter hold. And you know, this part is pretty self-explanatory. Then for the front, I wanted to go for a flat twisted look. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, just being that I cannot really flat twist with my nails on, but I did the best I can. And you know what, it's summertime anyways, and we're just going for some cute fast looks. So of course I am oiling my scalp with a Jamaican black castor oil. This is what makes your hair grow, ladies. Put some Jamaican black castor oil on your scalp, girl. So twisting it and all that, and then you know, I just apply some curling gel, some product in it, make sure I spray some water. You know, I'm a little British now. Apply that product, and then I start twisting from the roots, from the scalp root, you know what I mean. And I just try to grab as much as possible. I don't know how to really explain how to flat twist. It's like the same thing I'm twisting. You just twist it on the scalp, y'all. That's really it. And then to hold for a tighter curl, then I just flexi rod the end of it, which now that I'm thinking, I should have just twisted my whole head and then added flexi rods, box twist and then flexi rod set, but it's okay. I'm probably going to do something else in my hair anyway, so I'm just going to continue this whole entire twisting and like show you guys how it looks. Then it's the next day. I did add, of course, my head wrap. Take off my head wrap, and bam, this is what it looks like, y'all. Bam. I'm going to use my 5 essential oils. I also started with my edges because since my hair is already done, I could just begin with my edges. So after I do my edges and all that, I just add some 5 essential oil, by African Pride, and this is really just to make sure there's shine in my hair while I take out the twist, that it prevents frizziness. So then this is it, guys. This is how it looks. I thank you guys for watching another hair tutorial. I haven't done a really in-depth hair tutorial in a long time. Comment down below what hairstyles you would like to see, what you would like me to do. And I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a like, a comment, subscribe to my channel. We're almost at 1,000, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.